Morgan Benjamin's Dashboard Mashups. So here we see the entry page to our dashboards. We have the ability to navigate between different screens, and also within the screen we have transitions. We can also hook into mapping technology with easy navigation from Western Europe to Latin America, back to the world view. So, navigating to the next page, we can see that we can also include tabbed elements to our report pages. So here I'm looking at location, now on to the next tab, and again, utilising this technology we can have any number of tabs and indeed any number of report landing pages. So you can see you can soon build up a whole suite of reports within the one entry point. Another element we do are the traffic lights. Here we can see quantity sold for the year is good. If I go on to revenue, revenue's amber, not so good. Profit is red, again not so good. This example, we have animated KPIs to draw the user's attention to certain elements. We also have zoom functionality where we can focus in on specific charts or areas. We also have drill down reports, just utilising normal Cognos drill down functionality. So here I may want to drill into personal accessories, into knives, and I can see the information there. We also have slider controls which allow a different view of the data. So I can use these sliders to filter in onto specific date periods I wish to investigate, restricting my data from either side. Another key element of Morgan Benjamin dashboards are the KPIs. Here we have standard KPI, indicators, but to give more information we have bubble overs. So when we hover over, real-time data is fed into the bubbles and we can get further information regarding how a different indicator is performing. We have also utilised extensive mapping functionality. Here we provide new maps to the Cognos Map Manager tool, which can be utilised in any Cognos report. We have also created interactive maps where we can drill on certain areas of a map, the parameters pass down, and that controls report navigation. A similar example here on the UK. We also have our own API regarding mapping, where we can create our own bespoke maps. We also have the ability to hook into third-party mapping. We also hook into geoset maps, in this case Google Maps. We can see, in this case, we're looking at bubbles in the UK. Using vectors, we can plot the cost of flight paths. Back to the UK, we can zoom in. And as well as the bubbles being colour-coded based on the data, they also contain Cognos report outputs, so we can get a real meaningful understanding of the data in those regions. Another element we've developed is the ability to add commentary to the dashboard. So in this case, here's the last comment showed. I can then add another comment. Where I can edit data, add new comment, and I can also format commentary as well. Simply save that and close. The comments are all stored into the database, so I can see the history. So any comments myself or my colleagues have made about the dashboard or the data within it are there for us to action events and take action on the comments. Another feature is the ability to export your Cognos reports directly to other tools. In this case, I can download it straight into Microsoft PowerPoint. I choose the look and feel of my output, hit the download, and here's my report in Microsoft, where I may choose to add further formatting and so forth. Thank you.